Perfect. Thank you, Eric. So I'm not going through all that other stuff. I'm just going to go through this. Okay, I got my high wind watch. Perfect. All right, here we go. Okay, this will be a severe weather update. This is for the special web article. Video. This is for the video for the special severe weather update article. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We do have the potential for some stronger thunderstorms looking ahead to our Saturday. Now, beforehand, Friday's going to be a transition day, some spotty to scattered showers possible. A cold front does move in Saturday morning into the early afternoon. Out ahead of this cold front, windy conditions, number one, and then we're going to see potentially stronger thunderstorms, heavier downpours of rain. So heavy rain, some stronger storms, and even some stronger wind gusts even before the rain arrives, especially in the mountains where a high wind watch will be in place. Once this front moves through with its showers and storms and potential severe storms as we get through the early afternoon, later in the afternoon, Saturday and Saturday night, high pressure builds in. Colder and drier air sweeps in for your Sunday. So, yeah, a tale of two weather days, two halves this weather weekend as far as this weekend goes. Saturday, impactful weather in terms of showers, storms, and gusty winds. Sunday, much cooler, but also drier. So here's a look at our potential impacts, generally from about mid-morning through early to mid-afternoon Saturday. The two main impacts, a moderate impact level of locally heavy rain and potentially some damage and wind gust up to 60 miles per hour if we get some stronger to severe storms. So heavy rain, some gusty winds, some damage winds possible. Those are the main potential impacts out of some of the stronger storms. Isolated tornado is possible, but not overly likely out of this system. During the day Friday, the enhanced area, the greater risk for severe weather will be in West and Middle Tennessee from Memphis to Nashville up to Paducah and down to Tupelo. So generally to our west on Friday, the overall severe risk actually diminishes somewhat on Saturday, but it's not zero. We have a marginal risk for some strong to isolated severe storms. So again, that's where we could see some damage and wind gusts, and along with some heavier downpours of rain and generally some strong gusty winds. So as I mentioned, again, while the overall risk diminishes, it will be an impactful weather day on Saturday, including high winds in the mountains from Friday evening 7 p.m. through 4 p.m. Saturday, a high wind watch in place where winds southwest 30 to 40 miles per hour could gust up to 60 miles per hour possible. Even here in the valley, Saturday we're going to see some gusty winds, maybe 30 to 40 miles per hour, and those winds will continue to increase into the mountains before diminishing by late afternoon. So that's a look at the potential wind. Rainfall potential anywhere from an inch to maybe an inch and a quarter. Again, and some of that could produce some minor flooding. We do have a low grade, low level one of potential for excessive rainfall and possibility of minor flooding. We'll keep you updated. Again, most of the main impacts coming during the first half of Saturday and then drying out and cooling down Saturday night into Sunday. Stay with us. We'll keep you updated.